This is the COPAG 100% plastic poker size Neoteric playing cards, 2 decks. I bought this particular pack off of Amazon. Love these colors. They're very, very, very nice playing cards. Beautiful pictures, easy to read for people with vision issues. They're very, very, very durable.